Audio is recording now. And video is recording. So I'm going to put that on hold. Alright, audio video sync. 3, 2, 1. Okay. I'll stay there. Yeah, tall mic. And the only thing I don't like about it, because of its tallness, I'm just at the verge of being what I would consider kind of, almost too small for it. And I think 5'11", 32 or 33 inch inseam. It's about a 33.5 inches seat height with a low seat setting. And that means that the legs are going pretty much straight down to the ground. I can't get my heels on the ground on both feet at the same time. But I can get comfortable to get the balls of the feet fully on both sides. It's like about an inch and a half away from getting the heels down. So it's right at the point where it's not uncomfortable to sit on the bike and back it up. I feel like I have good traction underneath my feet. But that being said, because of the height and the standover position, these edges dig into the inside of the thighs there kind of uncomfortably. So I'm going to potentially remedy that with a sergeant seat sometime next year, maybe, if I can afford it. Oops. What I'm looking at is like $420 or so, which for a seat's a good price. I'm trying to get used to handling it a bit safely in the garage. It's not, it's like 100 pounds less heavy than my CX-14R was. Oops. But it's still 505 pounds. So, alright. Whew. Went down. Oh, man. I got used to almost stepping onto it now from the foot peg, because it is tall. Whoops. Okay. Hopefully the volume's or the audio records this time. I did a recorded post-ride home from the dealership on Saturday, but when I turned the recorder on, I forgot to turn the power on for the microphone, the lav mic, so it recorded emptiness for the entire ride, audio-wise, but I had good video footage. Okay, I'm gonna go to ATM first. Oops, sorry. I gotta get used to that Honda. Put the horn in the opposite spot that everybody else does. So when I go to use the turn signals, I end up honking the horn. And this is my second ride on this bike. So that type of stuff's to be expected. And a lot of people today. Of course, it's like a couple of days or a few days before Christmas here. So so. A lot of people on the road. And I'm not sure how much you're going to be able to hear me. I'm going out today to get some, hopefully anyways, some longer bolts. Oh, shoot. But I'll do that later then. I guess I'm just going to go to the ATM, get some money out, get some soda pops. And stop in probably at the weed store. So yeah, the ride home was very good, except for it was a borderline gale force, choppy winds, crosswinds hitting me the whole way. So it was all through flat farmlands there coming home down I-5. Still trying to get used to what everything reads on the dashboard here. So some people who reviewed the bike pointed out it's a little bit congested on the display. I leave the mirrors on stock until I go dirt riding and they break. The ones I'll be getting would be the double take mirrors, and it's like $120 for a pair of them. So I'm not going to replace what's not broken. So yeah, this marks a new paradigm shift. So you've got a great exhaust note on it. I'll have to make sure to get that recorded when I get off the bike next. So anyways, I was going to get longer bolts for this tank mount parts here. I've been making my own fork tunnel air dam, or air deflector, whatever you may want to call it. This is a sheet of plastic cut out to the basic shape of this. So that it fits flush for the most part and blocks like 90% of the wind or whatever is coming out from the front or the back part here. So once you hit 65 miles an hour and above, it starts getting pretty turbulent, pretty bad. And part of it's because it's still over here. Part of it is amplified by the hand guards. Because those are going to be on hard gusty winds like I was getting hit with. It'll definitely be causing steering inputs that you're not ready for. And not like bad ones or anything, just a little bit choppy on the throttle though. I got to also work on figuring out which riding modes I want to use, or and quickly work up to having my own user mode saved. Yeah, I've got 2 user modes, so I'll make one for street riding and the other one for dirt. Unless I like the dirt setting they have. I'm not going to find too much out about the dirt until next spring. Until I've got some protection in the form of crash guards on the bike. That's a lot cheaper than paying for replacement plastic fairings and things, as well as like a stator cover or clutch cover or something like that on the side. It may get busted up. Tall bike. Still, I'm used to the short Ninja, or the ZX-14R, to where all my legs were bent pretty far when I was sitting still. So when you put your foot down to touch ground, it's not very far. So this one I keep second guessing where the ground is actually at. So it probably looks pretty funny from a bystander's point of view. Oh. You know what? Oh, we're going back in there. Yeah, Yeah, I can see why. Ah, shit. I'll let him get in there. I'll just come around here to the side. A bit easier. Alright. Oh, it is tall. God bless America. I ain't try that again. That about broke my hip. Let me see. Make sure I got my wallet with me. Okay. Oh, really? Merry Christmas. Alright, oops, make sure nothing else. Okay. Was thinking of getting soda pops there, but it looks like it's mighty busy. But oh, I gotta go to the post office first, anyways. Like just down the road, anyways. And then just stop in for some kind of quick soda pop thing, jigger when I get home or get towards home. And I gotta set the static sag on the bike here too. Oh, come on, you. It's just at the limits of my ability to push. You know what? Post office is right up here. I can double back. Come around to this side. So I gotta get it out of my knapsack before I can do anything. It took me a while to get used to the bike. It's entirely different than the ZX14R. I mean, other than having two wheels and handlebars and motor or engine, it's absolutely entirely different riding paradigm. Other than being able to take it on the road when needed and off-road when needed. Obviously not the greatest either, but not shabby at either. Neither either. Okay, this is my title and keys and power of attorney papers and signing off on their settlement offer off to the insurance company. You look like a good one. Fare thee well. Godspeed, noble weather. Okay. Now, I do believe, since I am on this side of the road now, I might as well get my soda pop. Because I was just going to get Sodeo pop. And what else was I going to get? I got a list here somewhere. Sodeo pop. Oh, a couple monsters. Oh yeah. Plus, I have not ridden 5 months other than Saturday, today being Tuesday. So I am rusty as all get out, and on a new bike with new tires, new brakes. Don't take a left. But it's also one I don't want to be duck walking all the time, so instead of creeping up on this guy for no reason. There he goes, come on guy.